New tonight, the man accused in a shooting investigation in Sheffield Lake appeared before a judge today in Lorain County. As Kristen Moran reports, new court and police documents are shedding light on the suspect and what investigators say led up to that arrest.
An 18-year-old man appeared virtually in court Friday, accused in a shooting investigation that police say left dozens of shell casings scattered through a Lorain County neighborhood.
Okay, Your Honor, we can go ahead and proceed with Mr. Carrion.
Exzavier Carrion is facing multiple felony firearms charges, all stemming from an incident last Thursday in Sheffield Lake and Lorain. Police say a Sheffield Lake officer on patrol near Harris Road heard multiple gunshots around 2 a.m. A short time later, Lorain police were sent to a shots fired call near Garfield and Route Roads. Investigators say more than 3 dozen shell casings were found outside homes along Garfield Boulevard. As officers drove toward the area, they spotted a car with several people inside acting suspiciously. Police say the vehicle abruptly pulled into an apartment complex on Lake Breeze Road and several passengers ran from the scene. Carrion, the driver, was arrested.
I have that male in custody.
3 News Investigates also obtained a supplemental police report, which states Carrion told investigators he was contacted by a friend on Instagram asking for a ride. Police say 3 additional people got into this car, all carrying weapons. Inside the vehicle, investigators found a ski mask, black clothing, multiple handguns, and this assault-style rifle. In court, Carrion's attorney asked the judge to reduce his $250,000 bond.
I understand what's going on. However, I can just say, again, Mr. Carrion is 18 years old. He has no prior criminal history. He was enrolled to go to college. I mean, I get the facts, but I've also seen, that we started off very, very high.
But prosecutors pushed back.
To be fair, counsel, I'm not going to make that recommendation. I mean, there's a felony of the second degree. His minimal known participation in this is driving around people that had masks on. There was 3 firearms at least, to include an AR, extended magazines, and luckily we had 2 families able to enjoy the time with their families because nobody died after their homes were shot into.
And at last check, Carrion is still in custody. The judge ultimately set bond at $50,000 and ordered GPS monitoring with no location restrictions for him. Meantime, we did reach out to police about what happened to the other people involved who left the scene. They tell me they are still working on identifying them and finding them, Peter.
Still a lot to learn in this story. We know we'll continue to follow it moving forward. Kristen, thanks.